In this video, our objective is to transform data from multiple rows and multiple columns into one column that's in ascending order. Our objective specifically in solving this problem is to complete a frequency and relative frequency table that is segmented into 5 ranges, okay? The problem that we're going to use is stated here in line 3. A mutual fund invests in 24 different stocks. The annual return for the stocks are provided below as percentages. So as you see here, we have 3 rows, 8 columns worth of data. So in order to quickly populate a table with frequency and relative frequency for each of these 5 ranges, the way to most efficiently do that is use Excel's small function. So to start, we have 24 data points. So I need to create a placeholder for all 24 data points. So 1 would be the lowest percentage, 2 would be the next lowest percentage. So if I just take my cursor and mouse pad and box the first 2 points in, I can drag and drop all the way until I get 24, 1 through 24 in one column. Okay? Then, in order to get the first data point, I'm going to hit equals, small. I start to type it. I see it pop up. I click it. It asks for array, and K happens to be this number right here in row 14. So I'm going to highlight the array. Here's the 24 numbers between position A5 and H7. It's asking for, in this case, K is this number 1. Okay, so the lowest number of these 24 is 0.7 right there. Okay, now in order for me to really maximize Excel's productivity and power, what I need to do is I need to click this line. Okay, I need to highlight the range of numbers. Okay, hit Control 4 or Function key 4. And what that does is that just locks this database in of 24 points and keeps it there, such that if I come back here, I'm going to put my cursor right there, and I'm going to drag and drop, and those 24 numbers are listed in ascending order. So let's fill in the first number right here in column C, row 14. The number of stocks that have returns between 12 and 14.9% are these right here, 12.3 and 14.7. We'll color code them yellow. There's 2 of those. Okay, next range, 9 to 11.9. Well, here's 9, and we'll just click this, go to a different color, and we have 3, 4, 5. And then the next range is 6 to 8.9. Well, there's 7. So we're going to come right here. We'll click the fill, and we have 4 of those. The next range is from 3% to 5.9. Well, 3% is right here to 5.9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll give it a green again. There's 8. Okay, and the remainder, 3, 4, 5, are between 0 and 2.9. How do we check our work? Well, we know we start with 24 data points, so we're going to hit and drag these 5 numbers. We're going to bring our cursor down 1 row. I'm going to move up to auto sum, and we indeed have 24 numbers here. Okay, so that means that we have indeed transposed or taken these numbers and counted them correctly, and we have 24 data points. In order to calculate relative frequency, we take the number, start with an equal sign, take this number 2, okay, and divide by the total number of data points, which is 24. And you can see we have 0.08333. Let's reduce that to 4 significant digits to the right of the decimal. And now we can put our cursor right there and bring it down. Okay, so we've quickly calculated the relative frequency for the remaining 4 columns. How do we check our work? We need to sum these 5 numbers. We come to auto sum. If the answer is 1, we've done our job. So this is a check of our work, and we have completed our task of populating the table, and that concludes our video.